Today, we're diving deep into one of the most buzzed-about drones of the year, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. From freshly leaked images and first-look hands-on footage to big spec reveals and camera upgrades, the excitement around DJI's next big release is heating up fast. If you're a drone enthusiast, aerial cinematographer, or content creator wanting to stay ahead of the curve, this is the video for you. We'll break down all the latest DJI Mavic 4 Pro leaks, design changes, flight performance updates, controller innovations, camera features, expected release date, and more. Let's get right into it. DJI Mavic 4 Pro leaks. What's new in design? This week, Quadrant News on X dropped high-resolution official promo images of the Mavic 4 Pro. These are not low-res renders. We're talking clear, professional-grade images that give us a solid look at DJI's upcoming design language. DJI Mavic 4 Pro appears sleeker and more aerodynamic, with improved airflow and redesigned arm geometry. It will reportedly be available in 2 bundles. Standard combo: 1 battery plus DJI RC2 controller. Fly. More combo: 3 batteries, a charging hub, spare props, carrying case, and the upgraded RC Pro 2 controller. DJI is maintaining its traditional kit strategy, but offering major improvements to the control experience. And that brings us to the new controller lineup: DJI RC Pro 2. Major controller overhaul. One of the most talked about leaks involves the brand new DJI RC Pro 2 controller. Unlike its predecessor, the RC Pro 2 introduces a modular screen. It's now detachable and adjustable, similar to the Phantom series controllers. Other standout features include foldable, ergonomic joysticks for better control, a new tactile top dial, likely customizable for camera zoom, exposure, or gimbal control, pro-level grip and modularity, giving creators more flexibility on shoots. For those using FPV goggles or external monitors, this controller could be a huge upgrade. Leaked in-flight footage. What we saw: new Mavic 4 Pro flight clips also leaked this week. From what we observed, exceptional wind resistance and smoother aerodynamics, super stable gimbal footage, even in dynamic maneuvers, rumored flight time of 45-47 minutes, a bump made possible by refined battery tech and more efficient motors, if these numbers hold, it would easily outlast the Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro, making it DJI's longest-flying consumer drone yet. Game-changing camera upgrades. Let's talk about the showstopper: the camera. Leaked hands-on shots reveal a rotating triple camera module, a first for any foldable DJI drone. This means true native vertical shooting without cropping, ideal for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Rumored focal lengths include wide-angle, medium telephoto, super telephoto. All 3 lenses are expected to support 4K at 120 FPS, with at least one capable of 10-bit D-Log for advanced post-production. DJI is clearly targeting both high-end professionals and social media creators alike. Transmission system: OcuSync 4.5. The Mavic 4 Pro may introduce OcuSync 4.5 or 5.0, an upgrade from the OcuSync 4.0 seen in the DJI Air 3. If true, users can expect up to 20km transmission range, higher bitrate for ultra-smooth 1080p, 60 FPS live feeds, improved signal penetration in urban and high-interference environments. For professionals doing inspections, mapping, or live streams, this could be a massive leap forward. DJI Mavic 4 Pro packaging and Cena variant as usual. DJI will offer multiple purchase options: standard combo with RC2 Fly, more combo with RC Pro, 2 SIN edition with built-in SSD and Apple ProRes support, perfect for filmmakers. This tiered approach lets DJI cater to a broad range of users, from hobbyists to commercial operators. DJI Mavic 4 Pro release date. So, when can you expect to get your hands on the Mavic 4 Pro? According to trusted leaker Hakasushi, the official launch is scheduled for May 13th. That aligns perfectly with DJI's historical spring release cycles. Expect teasers, review units, and early impressions to start popping up very soon as embargoes lift. Who is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro for? DJI is positioning the Mavic 4 Pro as a hybrid powerhouse, pro-tier quality in a portable, foldable form. Ideal for cinematic filmmakers needing advanced codecs and flexible lenses, real estate and landscape photographers using vertical capture, content creators and travel vloggers seeking studio-grade footage on the go, surveyors, inspectors, and enterprise. Users wanting robust performance and range. Final thoughts. Is the Mavic 4 Pro worth the hype? With everything we know, the native vertical camera, controller overhaul, battery life, flight stability, and new transmission system, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate drone of 2025.